Hello world. So here's a good morning world. So today we're going to be testing out the Sony ZV-E10 with the Sigma 18 to 50mm f2.8 lens. So this is going to be handheld, and I'm going to be using the camera's onboard microphone. So just to show you my setup and how I'm holding it. Here I'm just holding it in my hand. It's very small, so I like it. So we're gonna go now to Ontario Mills to test out this baby. So as you know, this lens is not stabilized, but I'm planning to use Catalyst Browse to stabilize this footage. Rolling shutter test. Rolling shutter test. So driving na kami papunta sa Ontario Mills. So we're currently on the I-15 freeway, and I'm gonna be testing out the camera's onboard microphone. I'm gonna see how well it isolates my voice. So right now all windows are closed and there's minimal, well, there's some noise we can hear from the car's engine, but let's see what would happen if I open the window. So the wind noise is very loud, so I'm speaking a little more loudly than I normally would in normal conversation. But yeah, I want to know if I can hear myself properly with this with just the camera's onboard microphone. Daytime bokeh balls of the Sigma 18 to 50. Okay, so we just got to Ontario Mills, so yeah, I'm gonna finally go. So the first test is the field of view test. So one of the reasons why I got this camera is because I wanted something small and very minimal. So the best way to achieve that is just to have the camera body and the lens with no external microphone nor a tripod. So with the Sigma 18 to 50mm f2.8, this is the widest field of view that I can get when taking a video at 4K resolution, 24 frames per second. This is the widest field of view that I can get when taking a video at 4K resolution, 24 frames per second. This is the widest field of view that I can get when taking a video at 4K resolution, 24 frames per second. So here I'm holding the lens instead of the camera body. So this is the widest field of view I can get without any image stabilization. But I know Catalyst Browse will crop into this. So yeah, ikot lang naman. Ikot lang, ikot lang. Yan. So now that we got that covered, let's try to do the walking test. So I'm gonna be walking, holding the lens instead of the camera body. So there. Holding it with my arm fully extended. La 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 la. So I'm assuming there's gonna be quite some shake, but that's fine. We're gonna stabilize it in post. So I'm trying to walk very carefully. So now I'm at 50 millimeters. So you can see it's very shaky without any lens stabilization. So AMC is just over there. AMC. So we're gonna be watching a movie shortly. So this is testing for the chromatic aberration. I'm at 50 millimeters. Seems fine. The sun is burning. So right now there's loud music and sounds in the background. So let's see. I'm filming with both my phone and my ZV-E10 to see which camera isolates it better. ISO 2.5. ISO 3.2 binibigay niya. So there's sunlight from outside. So it's okay. So AMC. Okay. So we're gonna buy popcorn because we're gonna be watching a movie. So right now it's at ISO 1.6 kasi I'm facing the window outside. Yan, maliwanag. Light source. We're gonna buy popcorn na. Popcorn. Mas malaki pa sa mukha ko. I like the image quality. I'm now at ISO 1.6 and I think this is much better than my Canon M50. Extreme low light. We're inside the cinema. F2.8 shutter speed 1/50. 3200 ISO. Wala ko masyadong makita. So I'm gonna push it to the extreme. So this is ISO 32,000. You can really see inside the cinema. It's very dark, but we can see. Tapos lang. So, yun. Gabi na. Madilim na sa labas. It's time for some night shots. So, ayun, thanks for joining me on this vlog. To test the Sony ZV-E10 with the Sigma 18 to 50mm f2.8 lens. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yun, see you again next time. Bye!